So this Festival 2022 has been such a wonderful event. We have brought together the community of school, academics, researchers, together with the local community. And we've gotten the conversations going.
This is the second time the school is holding the Festival of Ideas. Each time I'm impressed by the sheer range of research that is happening at the school, covering anything from green finance and great power rivalry to inequality and urban planning. This year, a group of 16-year-old students who've been very enthusiastic, asking questions, getting involved in the discussions. That for me has been a genuine highlight.
It's been fascinating over the 3 days so far. I've been to panels on gender issues, on environmental issues, international affairs, social policy, things around health, for instance. There was a great discussion on aging in Singapore.
We as academics, we budding academics rarely get any chance to do this public kind of engagement. So it's really refreshing for us to not speak to fellow academics, but also people outside, students from other schools. So that was the most enriching aspect of FOI.
In this Festival of Ideas, I have a few panels. One is on politics of policy experimentation. We talk about how do governments experiment with new ideas? Why don't we see experimentation more commonly done? So these are pertinent questions that we have to address both as policy researchers but also practitioners.
This is my first time at the LKYSPP's Festival of Ideas. I'm struck by the energy of this place, the breadth and diversity of the topics and speakers. It's such a wonderful opportunity for an exchange of ideas among the students, among guests, and a chance also for faculty and others to share their research.
Ideas are not cast in stone. They are here to be contested, to be debated, to be discussed. And we have done exactly that in this Festival of Ideas. We look forward to having many, many more such events, and we look forward to having many more of you come to these events. Thank you all very much.